What's going on, everybody? So earlier we said that we were waiting on parts because we have a believed fuel issue. We received them, went ahead and rebuilt the carburetor, cleaned it all up, and none other than the Holiday Inn parking lot in Amarillo, Texas. So the goal right now is to finish getting her back on. This was our version of using a ramp. Mr. Benjamin went ahead and changed the oil. We plugged off a couple other things. We washed out the engine bay earlier. Sprayed it out mainly, but she's looking beautiful. Hopefully she'll be driving beautiful. We borrowed the hotel's little cart because, our room's way around that side. But we're going to get this thing buttoned up and hopefully be on the road here in a little bit. So, other than that, you guys stay tuned for more.